I have a mind-blowing question for you today. What if you didn't run your company? Your AI agents did. That's a question that blew my mind too, because I didn't think it was fully possible. Now this is Paperclip right here. So I'm going to walk through this step by step, super simple. So essentially what this is, it's like a major task manager that your employees are actually your AI agents. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to walk you through how to set it up. It's very simple. First of all, we're going to have to go over to the Paperclip GitHub. So we're going to go over here and we're going to find the Paperclip GitHub. Actually, here we go. This is the other tab that I was going to show you after, but we're going to go here to GitHub. All right, this is Paperclip. So all you got to do is come here, and it's very simple. And just come here and get started just like this. Now, how I did it is, you can easily just copy this right here, put it in your terminal, and put it in, or you can have your Claude Code do it for you. So that way, it can learn a little bit about it and set it up properly. Or you can use Codex, Gemini, any other Agentic terminal coder that you want, or you can do it yourself. It's a really good learning process regardless. So we're going to jump over here to Paperclip, and now this is how you create a company. So the first company name, we're going to go with, let's say, Johnny Corp, as I'm Johnny. So what's the mission here? So I'm going to put, please God, and serve the most amount of people possible. And then by building let's do a SaaS app to $1 million in monthly recurring revenue. All right, that is, app to 1 million in monthly recurring revenue. All right, that's the major goal. So all we're gonna do next is, let's see, we're gonna hit next. Simple. All right, so now we're gonna come over here and you can name this agent whatever you want. CEO, I'm gonna name it Johnny. CEO Johnny. CEO Johnny. All right, now you can use Claude Code, or you can use Codex, or you can pretty much use any other model if you want to set it up right. So if you wanted to use GLM or an open source model, you definitely could. But now you can just run an adapter environment check. So all you're going to do, we're going to go Codex, and we're just going to hit test now. So this is going to come back in a couple minutes, maybe a couple seconds rather. So this is testing to see if my Codex is auth from my terminal, because I have this here running locally. So you can run it in the cloud as well if you want. You can have, if you want to check out paperclip.com here, you can do that as well if you wanted to, but it is open source, so you can install it locally just like I did here. So we're going to go back here, and at this point, the testing is still working here. So perfect, look, it passed. So that's how you know if it's going to work. So now all you're going to do is hit next. If you guys want a deeper dive into that, let me know and I can cover that as well. But all right, we're going to hit next. And then here is the task title right here. We're going to give it something to do. All right, so simple description. It comes pre-filled like this. I didn't do this. It comes in Paperclip. So you are the CEO. You set the direction for the company. Hire a founding engineer, write a hiring plan, and break the roadmap into concrete tasks and start delegating the work. For now, that's going to suffice. So I'm just going to hit next, just for the sake of the video. And now it's ready to launch. Johnny Corp, and then we're going to have the Codex local model, and then this is the prompt here. So we're going to hit create and open issue. Now it's using my subscription for Codex. So it's not going to cost me any money, but it does track all this. Your monthly spend, it shows your tasks in progress, your agents enabled, and it shows the approvals that you need to do. So now it's literally CEO Johnny right here is doing exactly what I told it. It's finding a team. It's coming up with its heartbeat, its soul, and tools. So now these come preloaded with Paperclip as well. So we can come in here and hit skills, and this is what comes with it. The Paperclip skills, you run heartbeats. It's very similar to like OpenClaw, but you can also have OpenClaw in here as well. And if you guys are still here right now, it is awesome because you're going to get so much value out of this video. And if not, then I hope I can somehow make your life better by this video. If it helps you do one more thing better, then my job is done. So kudos to you guys for sticking around this long. So on with the video. We're going to go to the skill right here, Paperclip skill, and then the create agent skill right here. It has a whole bunch of cool stuff that's already preloaded in Paperclip here. Ground rules, memory file, skill MDs, and then you can even go to CEO Johnny here, and you can go to instructions right here. And this is the main agent MD, or the markdown file. So this is basically everything that it needs to do. So this is basically like what Codex CEO, or CEO Johnny in this case, is going to do. Look, it already hired a CTO right here. So now we're going to go back to CEO Johnny, and we're going to go through the heartbeat real quick. This is the heartbeat. You can set this and change it as well too, but this is basically essentially a heartbeat. So picture it as like a human, but it's going to be for an AI agent that it pings the agent on, what it should do. Here's the ID and contact, your local planning check, proof of follow-up, and you can set it exact time frame on that if you want. So back here, we're going to go to onboarding, and it's hiring your first agent. So we have, let's see, yeah, so you can run the heartbeat, you can pause it too, you can come over here and copy agent ID, you can reset it, you can assign it a task as well. So now, like I said, it hired the CTO, and now it's pending a board approval. So you can also change this too. So we'll go to issues here and hire first engineer, CEO Johnny. So now you have to actually approve that CTO to get hired. You got to make sure, let's go check the instructions. You're an agent here, skills. So it didn't really do that great of a job. So I'm not going to approve this right now because I would like it to be a little better than that. So I should have gave it a little bit more instructions, but you can come over here and write in your inbox, hire the agent CTO. But just for the sake of this video real quick, I'll just hit approve because I have my other company over there anyway. So now you just hit approve right here, and then you come here and it's blocked because I had to approve it. So now it's working. Right now the CEO is probably, yeah, it's working, doing whatever. See, it's right here, Johnny run succeeded. All right, so right now I'm just going to pause that. I don't want it to keep running right now because it is token intensive. It literally just keeps running and running and running and doing it until it basically hits that goal. So I hope this has been valuable, guys. If you guys want me to go on an in-depth, even further breakdown of this, I can too, but I'll go over it real quick. I'll go over settings here. You can do your company name here, you can do your logo, we can generate an OpenClaw invite prompt too. So you can have, if you have your OpenClaw set up, you can come here and all you do is just copy the snippet and paste it right into your OpenClaw, and then it will actually onboard itself. So you're onboarding OpenClaw by itself. So now you have a super powerful agent. You don't have to throw away all that work. You got OpenClaw, and also you can import and export company packages. If you guys want to see that in a later video, I'll cover that. It's super cool too. We can come over here to activity and just shows everything that it did. And the costs right here, it's showing me nothing because, like I said, I'm using my subscription to actually do this. But you can actually set up different API keys if you wanted, and it will actually track all the costs. And then here's your organization right here. It's basically like an N8N workflow, how the agents are working. You can click it, it goes right to the CEO. We're going to go back, and then here, it'll click it right here and go to the CEO or the CTO. And yeah, you can also come down here and hit this little plus company right here, this plus button right down here, the circle, and you just add a company. That's how you get back to the onboarding. So that if you want to do, like, if you're selling this to businesses, you can name it, Johnny's Electrician Company or whatever your ICP is, then you can set it up for them as well. Or if you just want to keep experimenting and building different agents, that's awesome as well. So we're going to go back to the dashboard. And that's pretty much it. I think there's, you can come to settings here. You can do some heartbeat checks right here. You can disable the heart timer heartbeat. You can, you know, change. You can have different plugins that you can put in here. Super cool. All you gotta do is install them right here, and that's it pretty much. There's a lot to this though if you want. It's just super powerful. I can't even tell you enough how awesome this really is. So I hope this video helped you guys, and see you later.